Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we're ripping 2024 Panini NFL Optic Blaster Box. The first box that I opened was somewhat disappointing. The best card was probably just a base My House Michael Penix. No case hits or any mem cards or auto, so hopefully we do better with box number 2. The bar is low, so I expect box 2 to be better. Hopefully get one of the rookie QBs and the base parallels, or at least even the base rookie QB would be better than what I got from box number 1, and maybe a little bit less defensive players. That would be nice. Here are the packs. Let's get started. Starting off with a Dallas Goddard, Jahmyr Gibbs, and a hollow DeAndre Hopkins. Rookie Newton. CJ Mosley base, Curtis Samuel, and a purple shock rookie of Javon Baker. Finishing off with a Marvin Harrison base rookie. Aaron Rodgers with Jets. Tank Dell, and got a Caleb Williams rookie primary colors. Then finishing off with Eric All rated rookie. Jalen Hyatt base, DJ Moore base, and a hollow rookie Jalen Wright, and a rated rookie Terrion Arnold. So far, not looking any better than box number 1. Jamal Williams base, Josh Allen base, and Donnie Mitchell purple shock rookie. Oh, okay, and then finish off a base Jaden Daniels rookie. Probably the best card so far from the 2 boxes. Donnie Mitchell purple shock. Last pack. See if there's any last pack magic. Keyshawn Boutte, Kyle Hamilton, a purple shock of Kamari Lassiter, and a base rookie of Esteem. So that's box number 2. I would say the boxes I opened are pretty mediocre. Didn't get any of the top rookies in the purple shock. Donnie Mitchell, Laster, Javon Baker. You got like Caleb Williams and a insert. And maybe the base Jaden Daniels is already the best out of the 2 boxes I opened. So hopefully if you're opening these, you have better luck than I do and pull some downtowns or uptowns. Thanks for watching. Hope to do better next time. We'll catch you at the next video. Bye.